Cyclone Fainjal ravages Tamil Nadu and Puducherry. Cyclone Fainjal made landfall near Puducherry, triggering heavy rain, strong winds and widespread flooding. Many homes were destroyed, leaving families displaced. In Chennai, a man was tragically electrocuted outside a flooded ATM. Coastal regions like Chengalpattu faced severe disruptions with flights and trains suspended. High tides at Mahabalipuram beach prompted strict warnings to residents and tourists. A red alert has been issued for Chennai and Northern Tamil Nadu districts, closing schools and colleges. Rescue teams are working to manage the devastation as authorities strive to restore normalcy and ensure safety amid ongoing challenges.
We are currently reporting from Puducherry, and although Cyclone Fainjal has made the landfall, it has crossed the coast, the weather system is still remaining close to Puducherry, and in fact for the last 3 hours it has remained stationary is what IMD has suggested, and because of that from last night Puducherry has been receiving heavy rainfall, intense rainfall. In the matter of around 3 to 5 hours, Puducherry received huge amounts of rainfall. In fact, the data given by IMD suggests that Puducherry received around 469 millimeter of rainfall till morning today, and most of this rainfall was recorded in a matter of just few hours after Cyclone Fainjal started the landfall process. Viluppuram, Thiruvannamalai, Kadalur, Kalakurchi, etc. also got pounded by heavy rains last night, and as a result, you can see from the visuals, there's massive water stagnation, there's massive water logging in Puducherry. Several areas have now become flooded. And now the government is, of course, has begun the rescue and relief activities because there are people who are stranded in few localities. So they are being rescued at this point in time. But this is unprecedented is what many weather experts are saying because of the landfall. Areas like Puducherry and Viluppuram getting pounded by rains, though the rains have reduced in Chennai. That's of course a big relief. With video journalist Daniel, this is Shilpa Nair in Puducherry for India Today.
Senior Congress leader V. Narayanaswamy slammed the Puducherry government for taking the cyclone lightly and not implementing enough precautionary measures. Listen in.
Puducherry is completely flooded at this point in time. Record rainfall, at least 46 centimeters, what the IMD has suggested. Have you been going on ground, sir? What is the situation that you are witnessing?
In fact, this is an unprecedented rain in Puducherry because the cyclone which was formed in Bay of Bengal is landing in Puducherry. It landed in Puducherry yesterday evening at 5:30. Continuous rain was there. In 2004, there was a heavy rain up to 20 centimeters. 2020, there was another rain, a cyclone, in which about 21 centimeters rain was there. This is 46 centimeter rain up to within 24 hours. Was not at all seen in the history of Puducherry. Because the people who are living in the low-lying area, they are inundated. The first floor of the houses in Krishna Nagar, Rainbow Nagar, all these colonies have been inundated. The people have been evacuated from those places because unfortunately the state administration did not make much preparation for the purpose of meeting the calamity of the cyclone.